The installation of the gyroscope. Components and tools. Gyroscope mounting plate. Gyroscope. 4 inner hexagon bolts and 3.5 multiplied by 8 portable wrench. Inner hexagon screwdriver. Step 1. Use portable wrench to remove the bolt, which is the right front wheel of the vehicle, moves together with the rotor wheel. Step 2. Install the gyroscope mounting plate. Step 3. Use 4 inner hexagon bolts to attach the gyroscope. Use thusly. Ensure the gyroscope label face down. Step 4. Insert the gyroscope harness. Fasten the wire harness with hands. Step 5. Use ties to attach wire harness. Note: reserve usable length of wire harness too. Ensure wire harness inserts and gyroscope will not wobble when wheel rotated.